Good evening, friends. Today is Monday, and every Monday we declare the weekly schedule of Jahaneman. So today is Monday, and today we are going to have Motivate Million Teachers as usual. Dr. Shalu Sehgal is going to be with us, and she is going to highlight the importance of digital empowerment for teachers. Then on Tuesday, we have a date with a book, and the book we have chosen this week is Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. As you all know that in the present scenario, there are lots of misunderstanding going on among the people. So we would like to highlight the teachings of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam through the book Muhammad Rasulullah. And then on Wednesday, Nari Tere Man Ki Baat, in this we are going to talk about girls' safety. And on this topic, Mrs. Sadka Jamal, a senior teacher and a social reformer, is going to be with us and discuss that why these things are happening with the girls. You know, everywhere there is a news about the girls' safety is a major concern in today's world, especially in our capital city. So we are going to have a discussion, and we are going to have some concrete solution for that how we have to deal with this situation. Then on Thursday, Parenting is an Art, we are going to have Dr. Anis Ahmed with us from Kuwait. And he has more than 3 decades of experience dealing with the children, school children, and then teenager, youth. He is going to guide the youth that how to deal with the situation when you are unable to find your first dream career option. Then what are the alternatives for you and how you have to move ahead in life. On Friday, it's going to be very interesting. A 3-year-old girl is going to be my teacher in Mini Teacher, Learnovate Mini Teacher. As you all know that every Friday we have this program. And Rushda Fatima is going to teach me about colors, about corona, about concepts of numeracy and literacy. And she is going to give me some challenging tasks as well. I'm very excited for Friday. And on Saturday, as usual, on 7th November, Mr. Yasir Malik is going to ask some tough questions about birds to our young minds. And the children are always very enthusiastic for this program, the Purple Book Quiz Show. And I'm sure that this week also it's going to be very exciting for all of you. And please don't forget that we have a competition on National Education Day, 11th November. Before that, you have to send your speech video to us, and then the selected videos will be given the chance to participate in our National Education Day celebrations on Jahaneman. I wish you all the best, and send your videos on the given email ID, edufaminternational@gmail.com. Your video should be between 2 to 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes, not less than 2 minutes. And anybody can participate from this school. This is open for the children of class 1 to 12. So I wish you all the best and wish you happy learning. This week is going to be very exciting. I am waiting for this week. Are you equally waiting eagerly? Thank you very much.